Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline here. I am at Dutch Growers in Regina and I just ran in to pick up a few things. But they have a lot of plants in, so I thought, oh, we should have a look. It's that time of season. So let's start here. There's a lot of flocking going on and things are looking beautiful. And you can see here the hellebores are beautiful. Look at the coloring on them. And it's poinsettia season. And let me show you what they have for them, because they always have the latest and greatest in for them. And here's a beautiful display. And they also have some of the different evergreens in here. So this is a cypress, 4 inches. Really nice blue tone. So it depends on what you're looking for your decor, what you're gonna go with for plants. Their 10-inch poinsettias are $44.99. Very beautiful. We also have the Jingle Bell poinsettias here, and they're looking really nice. And there's a lot of families here today, and it's actually very busy. So we'll just kind of go through all the different ones. I'll show you what they have. And then if you're interested in anything, you can check it out. And there's new colors this year in poinsettias. Like this one, for instance, is more of an orange. And I wish they had the names on them, but they do not. This is one of my favorites. It comes in all different sizes. You can see over there, there's a lot of them. It's more of a pink. It's called Poinsettia. It's a 4-inch. Look at the color. And then more jingle bells. And then you can see here we have the light pink too. And now we're starting to see the double ones. And this is fairly new for us. It's more of the double. And these are all small pots. You can kind of get an idea of the different shades. You know, like this has even got a hint of a pink in it, more into the reds. Variegated leaves are a big thing now. And we'll just look at this one. Absolutely beautiful. Call this holiday ivy. It's on a hoop, and it's actually English ivy. But of course you can train it. And it's just a nice green touch. This is more of a lime green poinsettia. And it must be free, but I can't see the name of it. Dang. So these are 6-inch poinsettias at $17.99. So you can pretty much pick any color and it's gonna fall into that price range. And you can kind of see what we're looking at here. Here's more of the beautiful pinks. Look at that coloring. Those are fantastic. I am in love. I love this color for Christmas. Let's go over here and have another look. Lots of tropicals. We're getting closer and closer to more of the potted plants, and what I mean by that is more of the traditional Christmas plants that everybody likes to grow. Here's a 7-inch poinsettia, $31.99, and these little ones are $9.99. These are paper whites. You see they're already in the bloom. And then we have potted up amaryllis here. Really nice. And just tiny, tiny poinsettias. And you know, these are great for making an arrangement. Ooh, it just about fell out. And this is one of those double ones for $6.99. And they're just little. Now, if you have a green thumb and you love carrying them through the winter, this is the way to go. All right, this is the holiday cactuses in here. And these are $5.99, which is a really good price. And I can tell you right now, I can spot yellow in my tracks, literally. And right here, and right there, there's your yellows. So we're gonna go around there, because that is actually what I came for. And this is so cool, you guys, too. They have miniature ones. and they are stunning. And these are $5.99. Look at that tray. If you're a lover of Christmas cactus like I am, they are fabulous. We also have Primula, young Fuinus. I don't know much about that, I'll be honest. I am gonna take one of these yellow because I love a nice yellow. These are $6.99 and they are gorgeous. And once they come in, they go fast because they're hard color to find. So if you see yellow, grab it because you probably won't see it again for a long time once the holiday season's over. So here's a few of them here. And how you can tell that they're yellow is looking at the tips. And there was one here that was in bloom. Let's look at this one. And there's the yellow tone you're gonna see. Isn't that pretty? When you pick your holiday cactus, I'm calling it holiday because that's what they're calling them here, even though they're probably Thanksgiving. I would have to look closer. You want to pick one that has lots of buds on it that are not open. That is the key to picking these plants. Look for one that's healthy, that doesn't have any frost damage. So this is some yellow on there and isn't falling over, although we can pot these up pretty darn fast. So just make sure that you're seeing a hint of a yellow on the bud and you should be good. So this one, we're seeing, you know, there's some little bit of frost damage on some of these, but for the most part, like the one that's in bloom is pretty decent. It does have, and I'm knocking them over, darn it, they do have some broken stems in it. So if I'm gonna pick one of these, looking at them, and this is the only ones here that are the yellow, then I'm gonna aim for one that's really upright. And that there's not a lot of broken stems on it.
That's a yellow balloon.
So there you go. Now if you want to make an arrangement, the yellow is spectacular with these little mini poinsettias, because see how this brings out the pink in the poinsettia? That's beautiful. All right, so we're gonna go over here. Now we're looking at shrubs. And if you're looking for a shrub, and some of these, like the Alberta spruce here, you can carry through and put them in your garden, depending what zone you're in. They're tough little shrubs, and they're $14.99 for these little guys here. Home Depot was like $7.98. Here is the lemon cypress. These are nice big specimens. And then we have some other cypress here. And I mean, a lot of the Christmas shrubs are cypress that you're gonna see coming out at this time of year. And then we have the cranky plants. And these are gold crest Wilmas. And there's some larger ones all decked out. I mean, they look really beautiful. Need lots and lots of water. I've showed you the Grinch amaryllis before, and they're all starting to peak here and grow. All right, here is some more. And these are the large trees, and they're calling them actually that word that I am not supposed to say because of copyright issues. So maybe they have approval. But look at them, aren't they beautiful? Isn't that a great display? So these are the Christmas plants that are in at Dutch Growers. And if you're on the lookout, now's the time to get the plants, including all your cactus, because get them before they're all picked over. Look at that, a sea of green. And we do not have snow on the ground here, but some parts of our province do. So this green is very rewarding. And coming in here is so bright and airy, it just makes you feel good. So check it out, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments what you think of these, and I'd love to hear from you. Bye everybody.